Welcome back to Power Lunch. We just heard from Rivian CEO following the unveil of its smaller and more affordable SUV, their R2, also releasing R3 and R3X. So let's get some reaction from a top analyst on whether the new vehicle will give Rivian a boost. Tom Narayan is global autos analyst at RBC. He's had a hold rating on the stock since he downgraded it from outperform last April. Tom, what do you make of what you heard today? Does anything make you want to move that I guess your rating from either a sell to a buy, or you feel hold is appropriate after what we know now?
Yeah, I think hold is appropriate given the uncertainty on the profitability of this product. But I do want to say the products this company creates are very impressive for the consumer. The question investors have to know is, are these products really good for investors? And so far, Rivian produces its cars at a loss. And that's at a higher price point, the R1, right? So the R2 now at a lower price point. I think the question on a lot of folks' minds is, how will they be able to produce this car that's so compelling, 300 plus miles of range, as we found out, profitably? And that is it. There's some uncertainty there.
Yeah, I mean, obviously the hope, I assume, was they would pick up in some volume. But in that interview, which I believe you heard, he was talking about the cost as our own Philibot was interviewing him and asking him about the price. And he says everything we do has cost in mind. So now that you know the price, I don't know if you've been able to update your model so quickly, but you know that it's $45,000. Does that help at all with understanding how much closer they may be able to get to that profitability standard?
Oh, I think this was largely the expected price.
Okay.
I have modeled in R2 in my model. But with profitability, it's a question of how big is this battery? What are they paying for battery costs? We just don't know that. They've told us that the R1 will be break even on gross profit by the end of 2024. We have to see evidence of it. Now, if they were able to achieve that, that would be tremendous. And that would give people more credence to believe they can get that for R3, but until we see that evidence, it's just difficult to get really constructive in our view.
Does Rivian have to get this one right?
Yes, definitely, right? This R1, we saw what happened a couple of weeks ago when they gave production guidance for 2024 for the R1, and it's essentially flat. Surprised a lot of folks. You saw what happened with the stock as a result. R2 is really where the volumes are supposed to come from. Recall Tesla did the same playbook. It started out with the S and the X, very expensive, low volume cars, created this brand, and then came out with the 3 and the Y, right? And those are high volume cars today. That's what makes the profit center for Tesla. Here, that's what Rivian's hoping for, that R2 and R3 become the profit center. They build on the brand that they've created and really get the volume and the scale needed for profitability. But ultimately come down to demand, and that's where we have some concerns about, especially given the competition we're seeing from Jeep, from Ford, from GM. Remember, Tesla didn't have any of that competition. Rivian's going to be coming out with these vehicles in a very competitive subset, also with an EV slowdown.